And one thing that you told me was that UX or user experience can be a much broader thing than just like product. And what exactly does that mean?
Yeah. So the reason I started like this working definition with product is because I feel like it's the more traditional and more concrete thing that people think of. But in reality, I think you're working much more broad than that. Like, for example, you might be, as a researcher, working on understanding people's experiences, for example, with AI, like how do we even communicate about AI to consumers? Or how do we meet the needs of like, what's the developer community and what do they need? Or like, what are the ways that like an AI framework can be competitive with other AI frameworks? And what are people really working on when it comes to different model architectures, or what language support do you need? Like it becomes like very broad in that sense. And then I also feel like researchers will cover not only product research, but also things like market research. So like you might not necessarily have someone who's just like a dedicated market researcher because maybe your marketing team is like, tied up with other things. So like in my work, I've done work that it's impacting on both the engineering side, but also for marketing as well. Right. So there's like a pretty broad set of stakeholders that you need to make happy. I think that there might be, some folks that are more focused on like the design component, but my work has been a bit more broad than that.